Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ranjit Kumar and I am licensed CPA. So today I am going to talk about your entire CPA course cost, right? So what would be your cost? How much money you have to spend and where you have to spend. So this is your right. You have to understand, ultimately this is your money, right? So you have to understand how much money where you are paying. So in this video, we'll talk about step by step where you have to pay, in which US agency you have to pay, and in which review course provider you have to pay. Also, we'll talk about what would be your cost if you opt review courses or if you'll not opt your review courses. After this video, you will understand your total entire cost so that you can pay and you can pursue your career.
Hi. So guys, here are six types of payment you have to pay, including CPA review course provider. So there are two phases. The phase one, you have to pay to CPA review course provider for study material and for software, wherein you can practice MCQs and simulation. So there are a lot of study materials available in the market, right? So be it Becker, Wiley, and Sargent, Rogers, Claims, there are a lot of materials available, and those materials are, generally available in $1,000 to $3,000. And if I talk about in Indian rupee, then it's 1,10,000 rupees to 1,20,000 rupees. So this is optional, right? So you have, if you want to do yourself, then you can do it, but still AICPA, they don't provide any study materials. So, you have to rely on certain study material at least, right? So if you go by a review course provider, then you have to spend around 1,10,000 to 1,20,000 rupees. Apart from that, in phase two, there are five types of fee you have to pay, and you have to pay to US agency and state boards. So NTS, right? This is an exam application fee, and this vary between state boards to state boards. So it starts from $50 to $200, and if you calculate in Indian rupees, then it's 3,750 rupees. So for an example, Guam, it's a $50, and for other boards, it's more than $50. So if you want to apply for any exam or any section, right, then the recommendation here is to just take the NTS for at least two papers, because for one time NTS application, it will charge you $50 to $200, right? So in one NTS, at least if you will take for two papers, then I think that $50 or the $200, whatever the amount would be, that will divide it into your two papers. And the NTS is valid for 6 months, right? So in 6 months, two papers can be cleared very easily. Now the second one is foreign academic credential evaluation, right? So this is payable to NASBA or WES. So there are two agencies, evaluation agencies, NASBA and WES, wherein AICPA candidates or CPA candidates can do their credential evaluation. So this is directly payable to NASBA or WES, and it's around $250, and the Indian rupees it's 18,750. It includes courier charges as well. So to send from India to US, it will take around 3,000 or 3,500. That included in that as well, right? Apart from that, the third fees is exam fees. Exam fees is $208 per section. So if you are appearing for 4 sections, and at least, yeah, definitely you need to appear for 4 sections to clear the CPA exams, right? So $208 per exam, and $834 for in USD, and in INR it's a 62,000 rupees. The fourth one is international testing additional fees. So this international testing additional fees for Indian students, or the students, those are appearing exams, CPA exams outside US. So if you're gonna to appear exams in US, then you don't need to pay $356 per section, right? So if you're going to appear in India, Dubai, or anywhere outside the US, you have to pay 356.5 dollar exams per section, and the total up to around $1,426 and 1,06,950 rupees. Okay, once you clear all the CPA exams, there is one ethics exams, to get the license, and the price varies around $200 to $250, right? And it's again 18,000 in Indian rupees. So total price, if you opt review course, any review course, right? So then the total cost for CPA is 323,000 rupees in India, right? In India or in Indian rupees. And if you don't opt any study material or review course provider, then your cost would be 2,10,000 rupees. So 2,10,000 rupees is at least your minimum cost to pass the CPAs, and it includes your NTS means examination application fee. It includes your evaluation fee. It includes your exam fees, international testing additional fees, and ethics fees as well. It doesn't include your license fees. License fees is around $200 to $300 as well. That varies, based on state boards. But here, you need to choose a review course provider, because without study material, I think it's not quite easy to clear CPA exams. So this is overall cost for CPA, and if you have any questions, then just reach out to me. Hope you like this video. Do share, comment, and subscribe. Right? Thanks for watching.